Want to achieve a flat stomach in just 1 month? This video is perfect for you. Today, we'll introduce 10 simple yet powerful exercises to help you burn belly fat and tone your core at home. Stick around till the end because the final move is a game changer. Let's get started. The plank is one of the best exercises for core strength, targeting the abdominal muscles, lower back, obliques, and pelvic muscles. It not only helps improve posture and stability, but also engages deeper core muscles like the transverse abdominis, which acts as a natural corset to pull in your waistline. Planks also increase muscle mass and boost metabolism, helping your body burn more calories even at rest. To perform a plank, start by resting on your forearms with elbows directly under your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from pure head to heels. Engage your core and hold the position for 60 seconds. Repeat for 3 sets. Next, AB crunches focus directly on the rectus abdominis, the muscle responsible for six-pack abs. When you lift your upper body, your core contracts, strengthening and toning your midsection. While crunches don't burn fat directly, they shape and define the abs, making them more visible as fat decreases. To do this exercise, lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head, engage your core, and lift your upper body about 10 centimeters off the ground. Lower back down with control and perform 3 sets of 15 reps. Moving on to bicycle crunches, this dynamic exercise works multiple muscle groups, including the rectus abdominis, obliques, and transverse abdominis. The twisting motion engages the waistline while improving core stability and posture. To perform bicycle crunches, lie on your back with your hands supporting your head and knees, bent at a 90-degree angle. Lift your shoulders off the ground and bring your right elbow toward your left knee while extending the right leg. Switch sides by twisting your torso and alternating knees. Perform 3 sets of 15 reps. Another great core workout is mountain climbers, which not only strengthen the abs but also provide a cardio boost to help burn fat quickly. This high-intensity exercise keeps the core engaged throughout, leading to a flatter stomach while improving endurance. To perform mountain climbers, start in a plank position with your arms extended. Engage your core and rapidly bring one knee toward your chest, then switch legs in a running motion. Continue for 30 seconds per set, performing 3 sets in total. Finally, Russian twists are perfect for shaping the waistline and strengthening the obliques. This exercise involves rotating the torso from side to side, helping to enhance core stability and definition. To perform Russian twists, sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat. Lean back slightly to engage your core, clasp your hands together or hold a weight, and twist your torso from side to side. For an added challenge, lift your feet off the ground. Perform 3 sets of 15 reps. Stay tuned for the next set of exercises that will take your fat-burning results to the next level. Now that you've completed the first set of exercises, let's move on to the next 5 movements that will further accelerate fat loss and sculpt your core. These exercises combine strength training with cardio to help you achieve a toned and defined midsection. High knee marches are a simple yet effective way to burn calories while engaging the core muscles. This aerobic movement raises your heart rate, promoting fat loss while activating the rectus abdominis and hip flexors. The repetitive motion of lifting your knees strengthens the core and helps reveal a flatter stomach over time. To perform this exercise, stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Lift one knee toward your chest while keeping your torso upright and raising the opposite arm. Lower your knee and repeat with the other leg. Perform 3 sets of 30 seconds. Next, jumping jacks are an excellent full-body exercise that enhances cardiovascular endurance and contributes to overall fat reduction. The constant movement keeps your heart rate elevated, helping create a calorie deficit needed for weight loss. Jumping jacks also engage the core, requiring the abdominals to stabilize the body while in motion. To perform jumping jacks, start by standing straight with your feet together. Jump while spreading your legs wider than shoulder width apart and raising your arms above your head. Return to the starting position and repeat for 3 sets of 30 seconds. Moving on, AB tucks are a great way to strengthen the core and enhance muscle definition. This exercise targets the rectus abdominis, obliques, and transverse abdominis, while also engaging the hip flexors for added stability. AB tucks help improve posture and build a more toned stomach by working multiple muscle groups at once. To perform this move, Sit on the floor with your legs extended and hands placed behind you for support. Lean back slightly while keeping your core engaged, then bend your knees and draw them toward your chest before extending them back out. Perform 3 sets of 15 reps. For a more advanced core workout, hanging leg raises are one of the most effective exercises for strengthening the lower abs. The hanging position increases resistance, making it a powerful move for developing core strength and control. This exercise specifically targets the lower portion of the rectus abdominis, an area that is often difficult to tone. To perform hanging leg raises, grip a pull-up bar with your arms fully extended and let your legs hang freely. Exhale as you slowly lift your legs by bending your knees and drawing them toward your chest. Inhale as you gradually lower them back to the starting position with control. Perform 3 sets of 15 reps. These exercises will continue to challenge your core and enhance your fat-burning potential. But don't stop here. There's still one final exercise that will take your results to the next level. Stay tuned for the last part of this workout. Routine. You've made it this far, and now it's time for the final exercise, the one that will push your fat-burning and core-strengthening efforts to the next level. This last movement is a powerhouse workout that combines cardio and strength training for maximum impact. Burpees are one of the most effective full-body exercises for burning calories and sculpting the core. They not only engage the abdominal muscles, but also work the arms, legs, and chest while boosting cardiovascular endurance. This high-intensity move helps create a calorie deficit, which is essential for shedding belly fat. Additionally, burpees trigger the afterburn effect, meaning your body will continue burning calories even after your workout is over. To perform burpees, start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower into a squat and place your hands on the floor in front of you. Jump your feet back into a plank position, perform a push-up, then quickly jump your feet forward again. Finish by exploding upward into a jump with your arms reaching overhead. Perform 3 sets of 10 reps. By incorporating all 10 of these exercises into your routine, you'll be on your way to a flatter, more toned stomach in just 1 month. Remember, consistency is key. Pair these workouts with a balanced diet and stay hydrated for the best results. Want to see even faster progress? Check out my other videos for more effective fat-burning and core-strengthening workouts. Keep pushing forward, and I'll see you in the next video.